Hello, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. Highlights gives teacher a simple way to gradually release digital responsibility to the learner so that educators and parents can be sure that students have more autonomy to learn and explore when they are ready for it. On today's episode of Heapy's Tips and Tricks, we have a special guest speaker who is a recent Hāpara champion trainer graduate. Introducing Sherry Cash.
Are your students easily distracted by endless internet possibilities? Hi, I'm Sherry Cash, and Hāpara is the key to teach students how to successfully manage their internet tabs. Looking at your Hāpara landing page, click the Manage Classrooms tab. Then select your current class that holds just my one student, who happens to be my daughter. Looking at the student's card, we can see that the student is looking at clip art, classwork, project, more classwork, and her email. All these tabs might be distracting to students and might not serve them during their lessons. Hāpara can help clean this up for students to help them focus better. Kids need to organize their internet to maximize their learning. This can't be done if they're watching a movie, looking at Target, and trying to beat the 2048 game while learning about the Cold War. Or in my daughter's case, looking at Brown Navy abstract leaves, graphing calculator, classwork, her Google Drive, classwork again. We can use the pause screen feature here to get students' attention. During the pause time, students can direct their attention to you and the class. At this point, you can give directions, provide information, have a class discussion, etc. Now that you have their attention, you can also send them a message requesting that they close any distracting tabs. You can even add an emoji. Without the extra tabs jamming up the internet, students' minds are freed up to complete the tasks at hand. You can also look at the three dots here, and you can see where we can share links, send an email, and even freeze tabs.
Thank you, Sherry, for being our guest presenter today on Heapy's Tips and Tricks. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Thanks for watching.